Good morning friends. This is a video regarding how to solve 3 by 3 Rubik's Cube. So we'll start. First we'll dissolve it. This is now completely dissolved. So first we'll find the orange corner. So this is the orange corner. Then we will have to make a cross like this, cross. So we'll do it like this. See, it was here now. So this and this should be same. Then on and this should be same. Then only it will form a cross. So an orange piece with green hair. So we will do it here and then here. Cross is made. Now we'll proceed to the corners. This piece is called a corner. So this is the corner. You have to match the orange one we have to not match. The other color we have to match with the center one. So we will match it with the center one. This is not matching. This is matching. Now we have to bring it here. The first layer is solved. Now we will proceed to second layer. This piece has to go here, then this color and this color will match this color and this color. So we will do it like this. So it has come here. Now we'll find a piece, this piece with no red color. With no red color you have to see. So this is with no red color. You have to match these two. This is not matching, this is matching. You have to put it here. So okay, so this is matched, this is not matched. So we have to find a piece of white and green. White and green. It is here. It is here. So we will do it like this and then you have to put it here. So wait. So this is green piece. We have to put it here. Put it here. So this and up. So this is matched. Next, this is without a red color. This and second layer is done. Now we will proceed to the third layer. You have to make a cross here. So the formula is this, then this, then this, then this, then this, then this. A cross has been made. Now you have to match all these colors. You have to make this whole red. So up like this, then like this, then down, then this, then up, then double time, and down. So this is matched. Now in this, corners are matched. So we will not go to corners. We will, so this all is matched except these edges. So we have to match these edges. this edge has to go here, this edge has to go here, and this edge has to go here. So we will do like this, then here, then here, then here, then here, here. So this is a Rubik's Cube solved. Friends, if you like it, please subscribe this channel and like this video. Thank you.